Welcome to another unboxing. This time we're gonna unbox Glossybox November of 2022. So let's just get into it. It's a regular pink box, and for those who doesn't know it, Glossybox is a company where you can subscribe for a beauty box that you receive every month. This is the Swedish version. And this month's theme is rock and glam. So let's just get into this. This is the welcome gift I got for subscribing. I love Maria Nila, so I'm looking forward to trying this one, and it smells really good. So this is just an extra product. It doesn't belong in the Rock and Glam box. So this is a moisturizing lotion that I will give away because it's for dry skin, and I do not have dry skin. I don't know why they keep sending these to me, because in my profile I haven't said that I have dry skin, so that sucks. Photo Face, it's a photo finishing moisture. I don't really know what this is, but I do not recognize the company name, and when I looked it up, this company name, well, it's not called that, so I'm not sure about this one. This one feels like just a filler, or like, yeah, I don't think this is a real thing. This feels fake. And that one is not a full size, it's travel size. This one is supposed to be a full size, but I don't think this one is worth 1,000 Swedish crowns. So I think that one is like a dud. Then I got this face mask from Beauty Pro, and it's supposed to be from an English company, and this is a full size. It cost 160 Swedish crowns. I mean, I like masks, so I'm happy about that. To Die For eyeshadow from Tease. This is an old company, Tease, so, and the color is really pretty. It's hard to swatch it with only one hand, so but there you have it. It's really cute. I think I'm gonna enjoy using this one. And this one is also a full size, and it's supposed to cost 160. I think I just said that. Well, no. Haha, I said it wrong. This one is 160 and the mask is 59, so. And lastly, we have this one. It's from Spectrum, Rock and Glam. It's supposed to be a special design brush. I'm happy because I like getting tools in these boxes. So let's take a look. It's pretty boring, dark purple color, super soft though, but I know that Spectrum has a lot more fun brushes, so I'm kind of disappointed on this one because they could have made it a lot more fun than this. So it's a full size, costs about 99 Swedish crowns. So here's the full box with all the products in it. So I'm happy about that one and this one. These two and that one. Those, no. Especially not that one, and this one is, yeah, I don't think I will use this one or give it away to anyone because it feels like just fake and not good at all. Here you can see the ingredients. Yeah, I don't think, no. It feels like a dud. At least it's not tested on animals, so that's good. But yeah, the name. Yeah, I know. Well, this is the box. Happy about this. So, not too bad for being Glossybox. So, thank you for watching. Bye.